You're more bigger one.
Come up in front a little bit. Good. I'd like to see a little bit more impulsion. That jump's not too big, so you got away with that distance. But as they get a little bigger, you're going to have to get up a little closer for him to be comfortable. Outside leg. Good. That's it.
Ow.
So when we go across the left lead diagonal, does he always swap in the middle of the line, Aaron?
I've been working on that with him. Not swapping.
Yes. He needs to jump that jump and then turn left.
Yep, that's what we've been doing.
Good. That's it. Outside leg. Good for you. There. Now just be patient. Let it come to you. There we go. Good job. Yeah. Make